Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
आज हम बड़े हो जाते हैं पर जो हमारी वैल्यूज़ होती हैं वो बचपन से आती हैं। ऑफ कोर्स माता पिता का बहुत अहम रोल होता है, बट मैं बहुत स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ कि जो हमारे टीचर्स हैं, जो हमारे गुरु हैं, उनका बहुत अहम रोल है। और जो मैंने पर्सनली देखा है नवी मुंबई में रूपा मिस को, जिस तरह से उन्होंने बच्चों को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है, वैल्यूज़ दिया है, उसके लिए रूपा मिस के लिए शेपिंग द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अवार्ड। ऑब्वियसली बहुत पॉपुलर रूपा मिस। मैं डॉक्टर विजय पाटिल साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगेन एजुकेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और रूपा मिस को आप फेलिसिटेट कीजिए प्लीज।
बच्चे गिली मिट्टी की तरह होते हैं, उन्हें जो आकार दे वो उस आकार में जिंदगी भर के लिए ढल जाते हैं। इसीलिए अर्ली एजुकेशन का बहुत महत्व है और इस जिम्मेदारी को अपना पैशन बनाकर अपना जीवन समर्पित करने वाली श्रीमती रूपा दुव्वुरी नवी मुंबई में एक आदर्श है। शिक्षा के माध्यम से बच्चों में वैल्यूज ऐड करते हुए एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज से ऑलराउंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट करने में पिछले 32 सालों से वो योगदान दे रही है। श्रीमती रूपा 1991 से फादर एग्नल मल्टीपर्पज स्कूल के किंडरगार्टन डिपार्टमेंट और 2016 से एलिमेंट्री स्कूल के हेड पोस्ट की जिम्मेदारियां संभाल रही है। अनगिनत सक्सेसफुल युवा अपने कामयाबी का श्रेय रूपा मिस को देते हैं। श्रीमती रूपा मिस के इस नोबेल कार्य को आवाज टुडे स्टार्स अवार्ड शेपिंग द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है।
Good morning. I am Rupa Duvvuri Sudhakar, known as Rupa teacher in Vashi. I've been in Agnells for the last 32 years. This is my 33rd year in Agnells. I joined Agnells as a very, when you are a youngster, you have a lot of dreams and about what you want to do, how you want to do it. I always wanted to be a kindergarten teacher. I always wanted to teach the small children. Though I had the capacity to go to the higher classes, I always visualized myself as a kindergarten person, nurturing young minds, being with them and enjoying my work. Very few people get this happiness of having their passion and their job together. Working in an environment that is, I always wanted to work in an environment which is very child friendly, which is very parent friendly, which is very society friendly. and it was my good fortune. I think I'm blessed to have joined Father Agnell's school. I learnt a lot in the school. For me, the journey is still going on because I learnt from my seniors. I've been mentored by wonderful people. I met fantastic colleagues who became my friends for life. Working in a school or working in any environment which allows you to do what is right and the way it has to be done. This is what I found in Agnell's. I wanted to work with children in an open atmosphere, in the sense that where you are listened to and you can listen to somebody. So we had good guides who were guiding us. Both Father Orlando and Father Almeida have been good mentors. Then we had people like our Vice Principal Vijaya Madam, who had guided us into this system of education, into the system of working, where we think of the child first before we think of anything else. Because in Agnell's, education is not a business, it is a way of life. We want our children to grow, learn and continue learning in life. So keeping these in mind, which was what I believed in, I joined Agnell's. And once I joined, there was no question of going anywhere else. When people ask me today that would you like to change your school after you leave and things like that, I can't think of working anywhere else because I don't think I'll get this kind of an atmosphere anywhere else. We work as a team. It's not like I am the head, you have to listen to me. I learn from the youngsters today, even today when in this pandemic we have to learn through technology. We have to impart education through technology. We were all not taught in this method, but we learnt it. The youngsters who are coming in today are so fresh with their knowledge. They are willing to learn along with us. So for me, this has been a wonderful journey, and I hope everybody experiences this journey. And the other main important thing that Agnell's believes in is inclusive education. Children with special needs are also included in the regular stream of education. Now for me, it has become a passion. I like to work in this field too, along with the regular field of education. So there is a lot to learn. I made wonderful friends. There are parents who have worked closely with us. So parents are not on the other side of the table. They are with us as a team. So the journey has been excellent. I'd like to officially thank Aavas today for conferring this award on me, or giving this award to me, because I believe that this award is not given to me. It is given to my team of teachers who have made me what I am today. So thank you, and I hope you encourage more number of people to do this kind of work, where they work as a team, so that children who should benefit will benefit officially. Thank you.
Subscribe to Aavas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.